Pet snacks. The pet store, oh, here, let me do this. The pet store sells boxes of pet food and snacks in 4 sizes. Write and solve an equation to find the volume of each box. Label your answers with the correct units. So again, just kind of like I did on the other one, I do remember that it's going to be units cubed is going to be my answers, and my volume, it's, length times width times height, or base times height. Alright. So here I have my 3 measurements. This is going to be 9 times 9 times 9 equals 81 times 9. And if 9 times 80 is what, 720, 9 times 1 is 9, so that would be 729 centimeters cubed. We have 17 by 3 by 9. So again, this would be like written as base times height. I guess we could do that way. So 3 times 17. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 7 is 21. 30 plus 21 is 51 times 9. So again, so 9 times 50 is what? 450, and then times 1 is 9. 459 centimeters cubed. It was centimeters. Okay, good. Oh, they're all centimeters. All right. 30 by 19 by 6. Ooh. Alright. Well, what if I do 19 by times 30? So that'd be 3 times 19. What about this? 3 times 20 is 60. Minus 3 is 57. Times 10 is 570. Times 6. And what if I double in half here to get to 1040 times 3? So 1000 times 3 is 3000, and 40 times 3 is 120, so that would be 3120 cubic centimeters. And the last one here is 21 by 16 times 5. Alright, so 21 by 16. Oh, I can do a bunch of stuff to that. So I can make that. So here, if I can take 21 times 16, and I can double and halve that sucker. Anytime I see 16, I get pretty excited. Did I miss 16 anywhere? No, I didn't. Okay. So that's 42 by 8, which is equal to 84 times 4, which is equal to 168 times 2, which is equal to, what is that? 68 doubled, what, 140? 136? And then 100 doubled is 200, so 300, what did I say? 436, 336. Yeah, that makes sense, because 150 doubled is 300, and then 18 doubled is 36. 336, there you go. So then that would be 336 times 5. I love those 5s because I can do times 10 and half of that. So 336 times 10 is 3,360, and half of that, 3,360. Half of 3,000 is 1,500. Half of 360 is 180. So that'd be 1,680. Yeah. Did I get that right? Hope so. Use the information above to solve these problems. How much more is the volume of box C than the volume of box A? So C and A. So we have 3,120 minus 729. I like to try to get zeros down here, right? So 720. So I could remove 9 from here and remove 9 from there. So my new one is 119 minus 700. Ooh, good lord. 3,111 minus 7,020. Oh, good Lord. 3,111 minus 720. That's not great. Oh well. Gonna take 9, 3, so 2,391 cubic centimeters. What is the combined volume of boxes B and D? So that would be 1,680 plus 459 and 9, 13, 11, 2,139 centimeters cubed. Jenny bought 3 boxes of Yummy dog snacks, the same size as shown in D. Above, what is the total? Oof. Total of, so we have 1,680 times 3. So that can be broken down into 3 times 1,000 plus 3 times 600 plus 3 times 80. That looks much easier to solve, doesn't it? 3,000 plus 1,800 plus 240. So that's going to give me 5,000. And 40, or I should say 5,040 cubic centimeters.